Hello everyone, name's Matt with DIY Motors and More. Today I'm going to have to finish the Govee projects, and this is the permanent lights. Some are up, however, not all of them. And then when you come up short, you got to get creative. You all know how that is. So we use a UTV with other safety precautions, of course, to be able to get up high. Either way, if you fall, it's on you. However, at least I know that ladder's not going to slide out. And then my little short stick now reaches the peak of the house. So now I should be able to finish this safely and without having to spend $500 on a 40-foot ladder. So we'll see how this goes. So for this project, I'm going to be using the Govee Pro permanent lights. They have double-sided tape on the back, and then I'm going to supplement that with these brackets. I believe I got these off of Amazon. I can't remember where. However, these work pretty well. They look pretty slick. Once you put them in, that's how that light will now be permanently mounted. Fits very well. It's got really good finish. And then I'm going to use the self-provided screws to put them into the soffits. As well, to make it look as professional as possible without being a professional, you have to get these Y splitters to be able to go to the different peaks. So we'll be hooking those up as well. Now up on the ladder, I'm not going to be able to show you much, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll do what I can when I get up there. You stick the sticky stuff to the stuff you want it stuck to, and then you screw it in with these brackets in the screws. We'll see how it goes. All right, I was able to reach now the peak at about an extra foot or so, which is awesome. And then for the spacing, what I did was, to keep it uniform, is I cut out a piece of wood, scrap laying around, and I'm using that to lay my line so it will be even all the way down this. So let me finish this up. I do have to go back up there, which I'm doing now, and I cannot do it on camera. And I'm going to put those brackets in, then I'll show you how those look once installed. All right, I got 2 more to go, but the rest of them have been installed up on the eave. A nice straight line. The twists are out. I used black wire because this tan was, I thought just black would look better than white, to be honest. But you can see how these screw in nicely. They line up nice. I wish they would land in the middle of these, but it is what it is. But for the most part, they ain't going nowhere. They're up. The wife will be off my ass. And then her lights now are up. All right. The splitter's put in that corner. Goes behind the gutter up. Power gets fed up and down. And we are done there. And now I gotta move on to that eave. Yay. I'm running out of daylight, but I'm working on this last eave. And I'm doing this one off of straight ladders. I'm not using the extra footage from the UTV because I'm able to reach here. We're almost done. Okay. Sorry for the wind, but she is finished. However, I did need one more strand, and I got to splice it in there. And And I got a splice in over there where you see the two little dark spots. But other than that, it is ready to go.